Here are 7 YouTube hacks to help you go viral. * Create compelling content. The most important factor for going viral is creating content that people want to watch and share. This means making videos that are interesting, informative, funny, or emotional. Pay attention to the quality of your audio and video, as well as the editing and pacing of your videos. Do your research. Before you start creating videos, do your research to find out what topics are trending and what your target audience is interested in. This will help you create content that is more likely to resonate with viewers. Optimize your videos. Once you've created a great video, you need to optimize it for search and discovery. This includes using relevant keywords in your title, description, and tags. You should also create a catchy thumbnail that will encourage people to click on your video. Promote your videos. Don't just rely on YouTube to promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, email newsletters, and other websites. You can also submit your videos to relevant websites and forums. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers can be a great way to reach a new audience and grow your channel. You can do this by creating videos together, doing guest appearances on each other's channels, or simply promoting each other's work. Run ads. If you're willing to invest some money, you can run ads for your YouTube videos. This can be a great way to reach a wider audience and get more views. Be patient. Going viral takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if your videos don't go viral overnight. Just keep creating great content and promoting your videos, and eventually you'll see results. In addition to these tips, there are a few other things you can do to increase your chances of going viral. * Publish your videos at the right time. Studies have shown that videos that are published on Tuesdays and Wednesdays tend to get the most views. Use a catchy thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing people will see, so make sure it's eye-catching and relevant to your video. Add a call to action. At the end of your video, ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. This will help you build a loyal following. I hope these tips help you create viral YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.